Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Etsy to Payoneer. So let's get started. The very first thing you need is an Etsy seller account. If you don't have one yet, simply head over to etsy.com and log in using your Google account or any email you prefer. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on Shop Manager. This is where you'll set up your shop before linking Payoneer. Start by selecting your shop preferences, then click Save and Continue. Next, choose a name for your shop. For example, I'll call mine Duo Light. Once that's done, save it and move to the next step. Now comes the most important part, setting up how you'll get paid. Scroll down to the payment section, select your country, and you'll see all the available payment options. At the bottom, you'll find the option to connect your Payoneer account. Click on it, and a new tab will open. Here, you can either log into your existing Payoneer account or create a new one if you don't already have one. If you're signing up for a new Payoneer account, you'll need to provide your personal details for verification and your bank information to receive payouts. But if you already have a Payoneer account, just click on Already Have a Payoneer account, enter your login credentials, and sign in. Once you log in successfully, agree to the terms and conditions, and that's it. Your Payoneer account will now be connected with your Etsy shop. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the connection was successful. And here's a quick note. If you already have a shop set up, you can still connect Payoneer anytime. Just go to Shop Manager, then to Finances, open Payments, and from there you'll find the option to link your Payoneer account. So that's how simple it is. Your Payoneer is now linked to Etsy, and once you add your card or bank information, you're ready to start receiving your earnings directly into Payoneer. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.